Storm pooper.
Oh yeah, like the shirt, mate. Look at that. Right.
Looking for the Empire.
What you like?
Hello, it's McRob here, and I've got Mark on the camera, Mc.
Hello.
And we're going to do a speed run of my brand new Saint Dragon on the
Terra Scorcher?
no, it's the Thunder Dragon chassis.
Thunder Dragon?
Yeah, only it's
Hot
modified Thunder
Like
Dragon
hot shot.
chassis.
You've got a bit of thing hanging off it. There you go. Yeah, it's modified, and you've got a modified paint job there, because that's not the Saint Dragon, is it, Rob?
No.
I do like that, mate. I think it looks rather nice. That
Yes.
carbon fibre effect you've got going on there.
There's 5 stickers from the original set.
It's lovely, that is, dude.
The rest is some carbon fibre sheet that I've cut out.
Right.
But you'll see all about that
In another video.
bodywork video, yeah.
Well then, so
So let's give it a try, eh?
see how fast it goes.
Yeah, we've got the stock silver can.
Right.
Yeah.
And a
it's
LiPo.
definitely a silver can and a 7.4 volt 2S silver can.
7.2 volt silver can.
Yeah, or even battery.
He's gone to the dark side, guys. He's
have.
gone over to LiPo. Right then, so let's get this phone out.
Right, so
Can't see anything with all this glare, can we?
we can't. I can hardly see the thing to press.
I think I've got it.
Right.
Yeah, 0 miles an hour, I can see it.
Yeah.
Right then, let's do it.
Right, so we press start and it's gone off, so yeah, hopefully we should be able to get up the reading at some flipping point.
There he is, look. I'm going over the road.
Have you got me?
I've got you, mate.
Hey, I'm going!
He's off. Whoa! I told you this surface is a bit slippery, Rob. It's faster than I thought it was going to be. Silver can? I was going to say, you know, I reckon 14 mile an hour, but no, I'm not so sure.
Well, I can see now, I'd say 20.
No, there's no way to do 20, mate. Oh, I don't know. It's pretty good, isn't it?
That already seems to have done. What's going on, dude?
I don't know, mate.
Seems to be a lot slower now.
He's spun it. He's brunging it in. I'm going over to him. Right then.
Stop.
It does look nice though, that.
It does look nice, doesn't
Get
it?
that phone out there, mate.
Looks nice, doesn't it?
It does look nice.
Does look nice. Get it the right way
Not
up.
borrow that. It's not bad, that. Now,
Press
I don't know.
stop.
I was going to say 14, so I don't know.
Well, it's worked this time.
Just press stop.
And
Read. Whoa! What?
20 Mc1 miles
Mc
hour.
Yeah, I've got that, mate, in shot. Wow, I am amazed. Silver
I'm
can.
shocked, yeah.
Hey, it's going over to the dark side, so it's proved it's worked.
Yeah.
This LiPo business. It's you know what? My stock Terra Scorcher, I'm sure it was 14,
Yeah.
and this is the same setup, same. What's going on, guys? Look, he's spinning it off. I didn't get that, Rob. You just shot off without warning me.
Woohoo!
I got that bit.
Yay!
Woohoo! Donuts, anyone?
Well, with that,
With that, a very happy Rob McBrennan and his 21 miles an hour can't be bad.
I don't know if I dare put anything better in it.
I think that's quick enough, mate.
Yeah.
Nice one. You didn't say about the wheels and tyres. They're not
Oh, yeah.
standard. We
No,
didn't
they're
mention
not.
that.
There, so I don't wear out me
Your new
cones, pin spikes.
whatever they are.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
So
don't
I've had
blame you,
these
mate.
for ages that I use for my speed tests. So, anyway,
On that,
once again,
once again,
I hope you've enjoyed watching
I did.
and see you on the next one. So,
See ya.
it's goodbye from him.
And it's good boy from him.
Bye.
Bye.
Look at his purple helmet.
Look at his little face, eh?
Going to the left. Going to the left a bit. That's better. We'll try to that end.
Okay. Or maybe not.
That's better. Into that. Yeah, I can go with that because it's not going to be that fast, is it?
No. I was filming all that, Rob.
Cool.
This week I have mostly been cooking.